Hello there, and welcome back to another viticulture video. The one question I get asked the most about growing grapes is, how long does it take for the grapevines to produce fruit? And I will be answering that question in this video. For most of my grapes, I received a 1-year-old vine that had been grafted onto a disease-resistant rootstock. Afterwards, these plants were transplanted into 5-gallon buckets. If you want to learn more about how I grow my grapes in containers, be sure to check out that video after this one. After transplanting the grapes into the garden, it typically takes 1 to 3 years for the vines to produce fruit. Typically the vines start producing after 1 year, do not nearly produce as much fruit as those that have an extra year or two, as the older ones will have more foliage. As the grapes get older and bigger, they start to produce more fruit. For a grapevine grown like this, you can see grapes produce as low as 0 to 1 cluster, to anywhere above 8 clusters. You won't know for a few years. To keep the grapes producing in a healthy fashion, I recommend pruning back the vines during the winter, while the grapes are dormant. Not only will this keep your vines tidier, but it will also allow the plants to focus growth on the nodes that you choose. I hope this video helped add to your viticulture knowledge. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and please subscribe if you want to see more viticulture videos like this one. If you want to see more viticulture videos, check out one of the ones here. We'll see you in the next one.